Okay, hello children. Now see here. Previously we have solved I think third sum on problems in thermodynamics, and now let us continue with the fourth sum. Now the fourth sum is written on the blackboard. I have written it on the blackboard. Let's read it first and then we'll solve it. Now here it is written 22 grams of carbon dioxide are compressed isothermally and reversibly at 298 Kelvin from initial pressure of 100 kilopascals when the work obtained is 1.2 kilojoules, and we are supposed to find the final pressure. So let us collect the data first, then we'll write the formula, and afterwards we will solve it. Okay. Now see here, in collection of the data, now what is given, you will tell me. Now in this 22 grams of carbon dioxide is said. So what is given, you all? The weight is given. So weight I am writing it as WT. Why I am writing WT? Why I am not writing W? Because if I write W here, again the work done is there. The symbol is W for work done. So it should not mix it up. So that is why I am writing WT. So here it is W2 given, there is 22 grams. After that it is compressed isothermally and reversibly at 298 Kelvin. So temperature is given to you all. Temperature is 298 Kelvin. Correct? From initial pressure of 100 kilopascals. So pressure is given, which is initial, and that is 100 kilopascals. And what is when the work is obtained? Work obtained is also given. That is the W is equal to 1.2 kilojoules. Okay, find the final pressure. So final pressure is the question. Fine. Now in this kind of somewhere we are going to use the W max formula. W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 P1 by P2. In your previous sum we have solved with the help of volume V2 by V1. But in this sum we are going to solve with the help of P1 by P2. Here the R value is required. If it is given, well and good. If it is not given, you have to learn it by heart. And the value for R is 8.314 joule K inverse and mole inverse. Now see, the unit for R value is joules. So here also you are supposed to keep work done in joules. So when you convert this work done in joules, we have to multiply by 10 raised to 3. So when you multiply this 1.2 multiply by 10 raised to 3, my answer is 1.2000, and the point will be before the last zero. So my answer is 1200, and the unit is joules. I hope work done you understood how I have converted it into joules. Multiply by 10 raised to 3. Okay. Now question is given, and let us we know the formula also. Let us solve it. Now see, yeah, the formula for this minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 P1 by P2. Okay, so formula I have written on the blackboard for W max. What it is? It is 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of P1 by P2 with the minus sign. Okay, now let us substitute the values whatever are given. Minus 2.303 n. What is n given here? I don't think n is given in this sum, but we are supposed to calculate the n with the help of weight given. The weight is given as 22 grams. Okay, so let us solve this weight given and find out n. The formula for n, let me write first, is weight divided by molecular weight. That is the formula for n. Okay, weight is given to you all. How much it is? 22 grams divided by molecular weight. But molecular weight is not given, so we have to find out. Let us find out the molecular weight first. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide is equal to 12 plus 2 into 16 is equal to 12 plus 32 which is equal to 44 gram mole inverse. So this 44 gram mole inverse, now I am substituting here 44 gram mole inverse. So gram is cancelled. Okay. So when you say ki gram is cancelled, so what is left? Just tell me. This gram is cancelled. 22 ones are 22, 2s are 44. So what is left? 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 division is always coming out to be 0.5. This mole inverse is going up, so it is getting converted to only moles. So my answer for N is 0.5 moles. So easily I got the value for this N if it is not given. Okay, so let us substitute 0.5 into R, 8.314 joule K inverse mole inverse, and temperature is I think 298 into log to the base 10 of P1 by P2. But P1 is given to you all 100 kilopascals divided by pressure 2. Now I think W max is also given 1200 joules. Okay, so joules here is there, here is there. This joule is going to come in the denominator. So joule is cancelled. Afterwards, I think here K inverse is there. Here K is there. K is cancelled, and mole inverse is there, and mole is there. So mole is cancelled. So only left what it is that we are supposed to write. Okay. So joule, K inverse, mole inverse, everything is cancelled. I think last May only kilopascals will be left, because here no unit is left. Okay. So pressure, what you are going to find out, of course it is going to be in kilopascal, because initial pressure is given in kilopascals only. Okay. Now see here, when you solve it, just keep in mind log 100 by P2 solve करना है. यहाँ पर if the number was there 100 by 50, so we would have divided, cancelled and everything. But here there is no number, P2 is there. So what you are supposed to do is, I am just circling here and keeping it. ये जो number है पूरा along with the log, you have to keep it on one side. You have to keep it on one side. Clear? And the rest, all the numbers you are supposed to put in the denominator. Everything you have to put in the denominator. Okay, so let us keep that on one side. Log to the base 10 P1, sorry, it's not P1, (100) by P2. Let us substitute all the number this side with the denominator form. What it will be? 2.303 into 0.5 into 8.314 into 298. Okay, so this whole part we are supposed to solve first. We are supposed to get the answer, and then afterwards I will tell you what to do of this. So let us solve this part first. So when you solve, see here, taking one corner. Now see here, we'll solve first the denominator, because there are many numbers in the denominator. Okay, 2.303, characteristic is 0. Answer for the log is 3623. Here characteristic is 1 bar. Answer for the log is 50, 6990. 8314, characteristic is 0 point, and 8314, the log is 9198. And the last is 298. The characteristic for 298 is 2 points. And I want the log for 298. 4742 it is. 4742. And we are supposed to add all the denominators. Let me check the value again. It is 4742. Okay, we are supposed to add it. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 1 carry. Then 9 2s are 18, plus 2 20, 24, 25, 5, 2 carry. Again 9 plus 1 10, plus 6 16, 16 plus 4 20, 23, 23 plus 2 is 25, 2 carry. Again just checking it, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25, correct. And this 6 plus 4 is 10, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is 4 and this is 2 carry. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So my answer is 3.4553. This is the denominator. Now I will write numerator and denominator and I will solve it. Okay. Now see, I am writing with the different color, numerator and denominator. Now numerator is 1200. The characteristic for 1200 is 3 point. Okay, and we are supposed to see the log for that. Before that, denominator, I am just copying it down from here. 4553. Subtraction is there. Log for 12 I want. Log for 12 is 0792. Log for 12 is 0792. 0792. Okay. Now we are supposed to subtract it. So 2 minus 3 not possible. 12 minus 3 is how much? 9. This is cancelled, which is coming out to be 8 afterwards. And 8 minus 5 is 3. And 7 minus 5 is 2. Now it is 0 minus 4, not possible. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And this will become 2, of course. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Minus 1. So answer is 10 raised to minus 1. And 6239 antilog we are supposed to see. 6239 antilog. So 6239 antilog is 4207. 4207. So this is the antilog. Always point will be coming after the first digit. So 4.207 into 10 raised to minus 1 is the antilog. Okay, answer. So final answer for all this is this. So I am writing here. What it will be? Minus 0 point. Why 0 point I have written? Because it is 10 raised to minus 1. So minus 1 I am shifting here. So my answer will be 0.4207 is equal to log to the base 10 of 100 by P2. I hope this calculation everybody has understood. Now only one small work is left of this side. यहाँ पर log is given. When this log actually, if it is not there, then what is left? Only 100 upon P2. And we are supposed to remove this log. So when you remove this log, like that only it is not going to get removed. You are supposed to take anti-log on the opposite side. Then only this log will be going immediately from here. Okay, I am writing here, see here, anti-log of minus 0.4207 is equal to 100 by P2. Now the log has gone, antilog has come. Now we are supposed to see the antilog of this number. But when you see the antilog of this number, there is one method how you are supposed to see. Even you must be knowing it. Now whatever method you know, you can follow that method and solve it. But finally you should get the same answer. That is the only target. And those who don't know, and to everyone also, I am just showing how to solve it. Okay, so when you take the antilog of the minus sign number, you are supposed to write here minus 1 point. Okay, and you are supposed to subtract this number from 1. From 1 you are supposed to subtract this number. Just showing here, see here. .0000. How much it is? 0.4207. Subtracted. So it is 10 minus 7, 3, 9, 9, 8, 7, 9. It is 5. And of course this will be 0. So my answer is 0.5793. So I'll be writing here 5793. Correct? So this way you are supposed to do the solution. 1 bar I have written. Now what is the reason I have written 1 bar here? That in simple terms I can explain you all. See here. Now suppose if I say a number minus 6. I say a number minus 6 over here. Can I get a number minus 6 by this method also? Minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4. Yes, of course, minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So that way it is actually written in splitting up form. Splitting up form. So minus 0.4207 जो है, तो 1 minus 1 actually it is taken this side, and plus remaining 1. Remaining 1 में subtract करने के बाद whatever is left, that you are supposed to write. So this way the number is minus 1.5793. अब इसका antilog देखना है. You are supposed to see the antilog of this number. Okay, so when you see the antilog of this number, directly antilog है ना, minus 1. 5793 antilog. When we see the antilog of the number 5793, where it is what it is, 5793. One minute. The answer is here is 3797. 3797 is the antilog answer. So the answer for the antilog is 3797. Always point after the first digit. 10 raised to minus 1. So my number is 0.3797. What it is? 0.3797. Antilog ka answer I got it. 0.3797 is equal to, this is 100 by P2. This is also still 100 by P2. Now this P2 I am shifting it this side, and instead of P2 I am writing what? 0.3797. Now this you can solve directly by reciprocal method also, or by our regular method also. So when we solve this number by our regular method, see here, the characteristic will be 2 point. Answer for the log is 000. Here it is 1 bar, and 3797 log I want to see. So 3797 log, here it is written somewhere. 1 minute, children. 3797. 5793. The answer is 5793. 5793. 5793. Now we are supposed to subtract this. So when you subtract, 10 minus 3 is 7. This is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. This is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. This is 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. And this is cancelled and it becomes 1. So I think 1 minus and minus. Minus minus becomes plus. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So answer is 2 point. 10 raised to 2 I have taken because we are seeing the antilog of this number 4207. So 4207 antilog answer from your antilog book, logbook is 2634. So the answer is 2634. Again writing 2634. So answer always written after the first digit, as you all know. So answer is 263.4, because 10 raised to 2 it is. So positive side I have shifted by 2 number. So my answer is 263.4. Okay. So my answer finally over here is, I am writing again, 1 minute. Therefore P2 is equal to 263.4. Unit is kilopascals. So this is the final answer for the pressure what we got. Okay, so that is the way you're supposed to solve the sum. Here, please keep in mind minus 0.4207. There is a method which you know it. You can follow that method. But if you don't know the method, then you can follow whatever method I have shown. What I have shown here, I have written. That way you can solve it. Is minus 1 you're supposed to take and subtract this number by 1. And whatever answer you are getting right here, and that antilog you're supposed to see here. If still not understanding this, whatever solved sum is there, photocopy I'm sending you on the WhatsApp. You can see it properly. If not getting also, you can ask to me in my next session. Okay. Thank you very much to you all, and please take down the sum from the blackboard as per your convenience now. And log, antilog, everything I have written. Please don't forget to write all the log, antilog on the corners of the notebook. Now this sum will take a time for you all to practice. Please practice the sums. Okay, and thank you very much. Now we'll meet in the next session to you all, and thank you very much. Okay, bye.